Welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can clean your shoelaces. Let's get into it. First of all, you just want to rinse it under cold water. Do this until you get the loose whatever off the shoelace. You can even put some hand soap on it if it's being extra stubborn. So next you just want to get like a little container or bucket to put the shoelace in while you bleach them. And then you want to put a cap full of bleach into the container. Before you do this next step, make sure you have gloves on, just so you don't get bleach all over your fingers or hands. Once you got the gloves on, you just want to rub out all the stains or whatever out of the shoelace. Make sure it's nice and clean. Next, you just want to add some washing powder just to get it nice and clean. Mix that all within it. So after you're done with that, just leave it to sit for half an hour and all the stains should be lifted out of the shoelace. And then you just want to rinse the bleach out of the laces. This may take a couple rinses, but it will come out eventually. This is just so the laces do not turn yellow and so you don't get bleach on your foot. And finally, you just want to dry off the laces either by hanging them out or patting them dry with a towel. And that is it. If this video did help you, please hit that like button. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well. Let me know what you want to see next on this channel. And that is it from me. Peace out.